What's going on, everyone? It's Connor from here at Snow Performance, back to show you Hemi guys what we have for you. This water methanol system is specifically engineered for the 2008 and up Dodge Charger or Challenger with the 5.7, 6.1, and 6.4 liter engines. Running this stage 2.5 boost cooler, you can increase your pump gas octane up to 25 points, which allows for you to add more timing and boost in order to make more power efficiently, while keeping your engine running cooler. Our water methanol kits completely clean carbon buildup on direct injected vehicles too. If you're on the drag strip, track, or street and want to cool your car over a wide range, this is the kit that you need. We include our very own VC50 controller and all of the stage 2.5 kits. The start and full points on the VC50 are fully adjustable, allowing you to tune the water methanol injection to match the engine requirements, which helps cooling and performance improvements over a wide range in order to improve drivability. The VC50 controller offers the dual functionality of a boost gauge and water methanol controller all in one. Also included in our stage 2.5 kit is the industry-leading 300 PSI UHO pump with a proprietary heat flange, twin seals, and custom motor wiring in order to run cooler and longer than the competition. This extreme environment pump is designed to withstand the elements, with all connections being sealed and potted to ensure that no moisture can enter the pump. All Snow Performance water methanol systems come complete with all the necessary hardware to complete the installation, and all stage 2.5 systems include a low-level switch, a 2.5 gallon tank, tank mounts, and 2 hypersonic nozzles for the best atomization on the market. For more information on this product, visit us at www.snowperformance.net or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.